In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a custom liquid section in your Shopify store. This feature is incredibly useful because it allows you to insert custom code, HTML, CSS, or liquid directly into your store without needing additional apps. Let's dive right in and get started. First, head over to your Shopify admin dashboard and make sure you're logged into your store. Once you're on the home page, look toward the left-hand sidebar and click on Online Store. This is where all your theme customization options are located. Next, click on Customize beside your active theme. This will open the Shopify theme editor where you can make visual and functional changes to your store in real time. Now, inside the theme editor, navigate to the page where you want to add the custom liquid section. You can use the drop-down menu at the top to switch between the home page, product pages, collections, or other templates. Once you've selected the correct page, look for the Add Section button, usually located on the left-hand side. Click on it and scroll through the available options until you find Custom Liquid. Go ahead and click Custom Liquid to add it to your page. After adding the section, you'll see a text box where you can paste your custom code. This can include HTML snippets, liquid code, custom text styling, embedded widgets, videos, or other advanced elements you want to display on your store. Carefully paste your code into the custom liquid box and double-check everything to ensure there are no missing characters or formatting issues. Once you're satisfied with the setup, click Save in the top right corner of the screen. Saving ensures your custom liquid section is applied and visible on your live Shopify store. Finally, click View your store to preview the changes and confirm everything is working correctly. And that's it. You've successfully added a custom liquid section to your Shopify store, allowing you to customize your website even further without relying on extra apps. Thanks for watching and happy customizing.